All right, everyone, I have a new feature that I'm very excited to share with you, and it is down here in the bottom left of your tool outputs, and it's called Additional Resources. So what you're looking at here is a lesson plan I created with a lesson plan tool in Yourway. And you can see that it did a very nice job creating a nice lesson plan, do now, student work, differentiation. But down here at assessments, let's say, wait a minute, I want to build out a more detailed assessment plan. So down here, you can see that Beans and Your Way recommended an assessment tool resource. So all you do is click on this and it will use the information from your lesson plan to create a more detailed assessment plan. So you can see here now, it took the same topic, my writing conventions lesson, and it built out not only multiple choice questions for me, but a performance task. I love this, right? It actually has the students apply what they learned, some opportunity for some peer review, gives me a little criteria for how to evaluate my students, a rubric, some recommendations for differentiation, and then, kind of some of a timeline around administering this assessment. So again, it nested it up here for me. I'm going to go back to that original lesson plan where my additional resources are. And let's try something else even. Let's say we want to create an extension activity. Let's even do this, create a group extension activity. So again, I got that from down here. I'm going to hit send, and it's now going to create a group project around that same standard with writing conventions. And it's putting it for me right here. So look, it named it for me and everything. So now I have my original lesson, I have a group extension activity and an assessment tool, all from one click down here at the additional resources. So have some fun playing with this new feature.